Now in New Mexico, Amber Alerts are only supposed to go out when a child is kidnapped by a stranger. Now, sometimes the state breaks that rule on family kidnappings. The governor does not think that's enough. She wants Amber Alerts even when parents kidnap their own children. News 13's Alex Goldsmith has that story. Alex?
Dick, there have only been 4 Amber Alerts this year. It's a rare event, and that's why they really grab the public's attention. So would issuing more Amber Alerts make people more likely to tune them out?
It was a tug of war that ended in tragedy. In 2001, Richard Sanchez kidnapped his 3 young sons from their mother after losing a custody battle. 8 years later, Sanchez's Ford Taurus was pulled from Cochiti Lake. Inside were 4 bodies, Sanchez and his 3 sons.
Even though it's a parent or a caretaker, a known caretaker of a child that abducts them, we have some tragic endings, unfortunately, that have resulted from some of those.
Under state law, though, Sanchez's case would not qualify for an Amber Alert. Currently, it has to be a non-family abduction where the child is in danger.
We need to make it available for that angry relative that means to cause harm possibly to this child or never intends to return this child.
But Amber Alerts are rare for a reason. According to the Department of Justice website, the feds say an Amber Alert is primarily meant for stranger abductions, and using them too much could make them lose their effectiveness. State Police Chief Robert Schilling says it's a balancing act for police.
It's a legitimate concern. Law enforcement, unfortunately, gets interjected into these civil disputes all the time, custody disputes and things like that.
Schilling says proper investigation should be enough to make sure Amber Alerts are only used in the most dangerous parental kidnappings.
Broadening the scope just a little bit to include those custodial abductions is the way to go, given the realities of what we deal with day to day.
We should protect all children who are in danger.
With or without a new law, state police have gotten around the requirement that a non-family member is a non-family member is the accused kidnapper. In late September, an Amber Alert was issued after a mother kidnapped her 19-month-old son during a CYFD supervised visit. Back to you, Dick.
Okay, Alex, the governor will ask a lawmaker to sponsor the Amber Alert bill next month. A similar bill did pass the House unanimously this year, but it was shelved in the Senate.
A security